If anyone can help, Range Rover L45 supercharged, loud grinding, squealing noise while driving forward, steering. The more you turn the wheel, the louder it gets. Possibly the what do you call it? The electric steering motor rack. That's why my mechanic mentioned that they do tend to start making noise, and you can't do nothing about it and fix it. But please, some help if y'all ever experienced this and there was a solution, or what was the repair, what exactly it was. I will appreciate it. I'm gonna pause on several moments when the noise come in and out. Small noise, sudden turns, close lane switch, not that loud. Stop it making that noise. Without turning the steering wheel, was still that grinding noise, just subtle, as the car, slowing down. Not sure if it has to do also with the suspension. My mechanic could not see anything last year. One more last, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna pull up to a parking lot, and I want y'all to hear the loud grind now when you're making a sharp turn, and it only happens going forward. You don't hear it when the vehicle is not moving, it's not in motion, and you do not hear it going in reverse. You can hear it the faster you go. Small move of the steering wheel. Here's coming the sharp turn, turning into a parking lot. Alright, so just let me know, what do you think? I need some help on this, trying to figure out. I can't figure out. I'm gonna go home and go at it again, take the driver's side front tire out and just inspect more to see if I see anything. But all I know is what my mechanic told me last year, and he still tells me that the electric steering rack is a problem, and that those tend to make noise, and you can't do nothing about it until they go bad, when it don't work no more, and then you have to replace the steering rack. If you know about this issue, know anything else, please comment and let me know what it is. Point me in the right direction if you experienced this before. What was the culprit of the problem, or different things to inspect. Thank you.